Hello, and welcome to another episode of What's Cooking. I'm Chef Kevin Fleming, and today we're going to be making a breakfast baked casserole. It's pretty simple to do. You could definitely do this at home. You only need a few simple ingredients, so let's go over those real quick. First, to save time, we're going to be using a pre-made store-bought pancake mix. You can use whatever kind of brand that you like, whether it's Bisquick or General Mills or Giant brand, store brand, whatever. So I have right here some of that. This is 5 cups worth of pancake mix. We have some crumbled sausage here, some crumbled bacon bits, some cheddar cheese, and to save time, I have pre-cooked a half a dozen eggs and scrambled them ahead of time to save us some time, and you'll see why once we start assembling. So first we're going to put together our pancake mix. So like I said, we have 5 cups up here, and then I have 5 cups of cold milk that I'm going to go ahead and pour in. One thing you should do when you're mixing together anything like this, you should always put your dry in first and then add your wet, and then stir as you go. That way it doesn't get clumped and stuck to the bottom. So that's 5 cups of milk. I have 5 cups of cold water that I'm going to add. We'll go ahead and mix that together real well. And I also have 2 cups of liquid egg that I'm going to add to it as well. Now you could use shelled eggs if you like. Again, I'm just trying to save us some time. We'll use a little bit of liquid eggs for convenience. So we'll mix that together until it's nice and smooth. And we're going to set this aside. And now we're going to start assembling our casserole. You want to get yourself a cookie dish or one of those glass bake dishes, whatever you have at home, anything will work, and you want to grease it up. You can either use a non-stick spray like this or Pam or something, or you could grease it with a butter stick. So let's go ahead and grease that up, and then we'll start assembling. Okay, so we have our grease sheet pan here, and we're going to start assembling. So I'm going to take our 4 ingredients, the sausage, bacon, cheese, and egg, and I'm going to start laying a little bit of those things down first. So this is why I wanted to do my egg first. So I scrambled it together and let it cool down, so that way we can kind of break it apart and spread it along the bottom of the pan. Just like this. Kind of like the same way you would assemble like a pasta casserole or lasagna or something. We're going to do layers. So this happens to be a breakfast casserole. We'll do some bacon bits. We'll do some sausage crumbles. And a little bit of cheese right at the bottom. And now I've went ahead and transferred some of my pancake batter into a pan to make it easier to pour in here. So we're going to pour a little layer over top. Try to make it nice and even. Fill all your corners. That looks good. Now again, we'll make another layer of our ingredients. We'll start with the egg, crumble that up, mix that all in there. Again, you can use as little or as much as you like of these ingredients. It's all to your preference. You don't have to have an exact amount, or you could use different ingredients. You could use diced ham, or you could use vegetables, peppers or onions. I'm a little bit of a meat lover myself, so I use the sausage and the bacon, but whatever you like. Okay, a little more bacon and then a little more cheese. Looking good. Just a little more cheese. Can never have too much cheese in my opinion. All right, well, we're going to go ahead and pour a little more pancake batter on top. Now you don't want to fill it all the way to the top because this will rise, kind of like when you're baking a cake. And if you put too much, it will take a while to cook. It's going to take a while as is. This will probably bake in the oven at 350 degrees for about 35 to 45 minutes. So it does take some time, so make sure you set yourself the amount of time you're going to need if you want to serve this for breakfast. So I'm going to continue making a couple more layers, and I'm going to put it in the oven, and then when it's ready, we'll see you on the other side. All right, we're back, and through the magic of television, 45 minutes later, we have our breakfast casserole baked and ready to go. You can see right here, nice little golden brown color on top. You can see some of the bacon bits and the sausage kind of in there. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it now. Obviously cut it into however many pieces you're looking to serve. I'm going to go ahead and do this 3 by 4. Smells good. I can smell the bacon. All right, let's go ahead and scoop out a nice little piece from the middle here. Got my spatula. Gonna get a nice solid piece out. All right, that looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of maple syrup on top, give it a little flavor. And there it is. That's the breakfast baked casserole, and you can get that in the cafe and bistro on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Thanks for watching.